Righto guys, so we're back here on the 60 ute and we're just about to start welding in these cross braces. What we've done is just measured them out where they need to go, and we're going to use a little punch to spot weld these little sections in. So I've got this little guy here, this little tool. I'm not sure you guys have seen that. One side is a like a stepping crimp tool, and the other one's a punch. So you're gonna use that guy and punch this all out and get those all into position, and then we can start tackling the floor, which will be one of the final fabrication sections we need to do. We still need to put on the back parcel shelf here, so that part there needs to go in next, but that's done. The cab, we'll paint that last. We're not really too fussed about that yet. We'll get that done later on. So yeah, let's get these guys put into position. Okay guys, so this is what we've just done here. I'm using the little tool, and we're just giving these areas a small amount of deep paint so we can TIG these spots back into position. So that's what we're doing, just doing the final ones now, and we'll get ready to start welding. Okay guys, so we've got all the struts in place. You can have a look here. They're just all being tacked in, and obviously we're going to have to go back over them now with some primer and a bit of touch-up paint. Obviously you're not going to see any of this because there's going to be a floor on it, but anyway, yeah, they're all just welded up, yeah, ready to go. For the next step. So I suppose now what's happening is I let him out of the oven. Have a look. So there he is, he's over there, he's sandblasting the top floors, because we want to get that green paint off them before we primer them and paint them. So he's busy doing that. So yeah, that's that bit done now, and I might just get a paintbrush now and some primer, and we'll just go and start touching up these little welds, give them a prep sole, clean them up, and then we can just put a bit of top coat on them, and we're good to go. Just using the little pot, we're actually running 2 compressors into 3. We're running 3 compressors just to get the airflow. You just got to be careful of the angle. Come around this side where the wind's not blowing. There we go, that's better. So basically the media that Paul's using is recycled media that we've used for probably 2 other buses, so hence why it's just ending up in the grass. We're not going to obviously try to pick it all up, so we've got about 10 bags of old garnet, and it's not silica or sand, it's actually garnet, so it's a lot safer. This garnet works quite good. It's a 30-60 media, or like a medium grit, and it really takes the paint off pretty quickly, as you can see there. But you know, it has to be done. We just don't want to leave that primer on there and, you know, end up with a weak layer. Alright, so there you go, guys. So that's one of the last sandblasting jobs we have to do for the ute, and once Paul's finished here, that'll be it, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.